Assalamu alaikum. I am Asma in ASMAS kitchen, and ASMAS kitchen is all about to present every recipe in quick and easy way, at the same time really mouth watering and to make cooking easy peasy for everyone. And in today's video I am gonna share really exotic recipe for chapli burgers. Everyone is already in love with chapli burgers, so here it is most delicious recipe in most easy way. For this you will need half kilogram beef mince, buns as you required, cheese slices as required. I will use here 6 buns and 6 cheese slices, 6 eggs, 1 cup chopped onion, 1 tomato slice, 1 cucumber slice, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 4 tablespoon chopped green chilies, salt 1 tablespoon, cinnamon powder 1 teaspoon, black cumin seed powder 1 teaspoon, crushed poppy seeds 2 tablespoon, crushed coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, dried fenugreek 1 teaspoon, crushed quarter teaspoon carom seeds powder, crushed red pepper 2 tablespoon, 2 teaspoon black pepper, crushed cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, gram flour 2 to 3 tablespoon, oil 2 cup for shallow fry the patty. Now start marination. In beef mince add 1 teaspoon cumin seed powder, quarter teaspoon carom seed powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon black cumin seed powder, 1 tablespoon salt, cinnamon powder 1 teaspoon, crushed poppy seeds 2 tablespoon, crushed coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, dried fenugreek 1 teaspoon, crushed red pepper 2 tablespoon, black pepper crushed 2 teaspoon, gram flour 2 to 3 tablespoon, garlic paste 1 tablespoon, ginger paste 1 tablespoon, 4 tablespoon chopped green chilies, a cup of chopped onion. Now mix all of the ingredients together. Mix it well. I have changed my bowl because previous one was too small for mixing. Now add 2 eggs and mix them really well. Let eggs absorb everything. After mixing it well, keep it in freezer for at least an hour for marination. After an hour, mince is looking like this and ready for further process. I have an egg here. Beat the egg and set a fry pan on a flame. Flame should be low medium. Let it bit hot. Then add some oil for shallow fry the patty. Now make a patty. You can make 8 patties from half kilogram beef mince easily. After make a patty, coat this patty in egg. I am coating both sides of the patty into the egg and then put it into fry pan for frying. Fry both sides until they become golden brown. Now here I am doing assembling. I have 6 buns. Place cheese slices on them. I am placing these cheese slices on the lower part of the burger. After that I will place all the patty on these cheese slices. Patties are ready. Now I am dishing them out. I will make here 6 patties for making 6 burgers. Now I am doing further assembling. Place the patty on cheese slice, then a slice of tomato, 2 slices of cucumber, and in last place other half of bun. Now burger is complete. In this way assemble all the burgers. Garnish it with cucumber slices. All set here. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have learned something. If you like this delicious and easy recipe of chapli burgers, then click like button, comment and let me know about your opinion and share it with your family, friends and people you care for, and subscribe ASMAS Kitchen for further delicious, quick and easy recipes, and don't forget to click bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.